Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to make weekly audit of your small businesses in Excel. With this aim, I come to column A, first cell, and add the name of days and with the title days. Then I come to the second cell and I enter set for Saturday. And in order to autofill column A, I put the cursor on the freehander and then drag it down to 8th cell. And if I leave it, the name of the days are automatically added to the cells in column A. Then I come to column B and add the title sale. And in the sale, I enter the amount of sales. For example, let on Saturday, the amount of sale equals 3,000. And here, in order to get familiar with autofills, I just want to add a regular increase in the sale. And that I can do by adding a formula by adding equal sign and then B2 cell and then plus B2 cell multiplied with 6%. That is, each day the sale increases by 6%. If I click enter, that is added to the cell on the Sunday sale, and then I put the cursor on the cursor on the free handler and drag it down like I did with column A, so it will go like this. So it is autofill, and that's the regular increase per day in the cell. Now I come to column C, and in the first cell I enter earning, and let the earning per day would be on the average 13%, so that I can do by adding the formula B2 multiplied with 13%. And I click enter, this gives me the earning. So I come back to the same cell and put the cursor on the free handler and drag it down to the last cell, and this gives the earning per day corresponding to the day in there true. Now I want to total the total sale and the total earning, so I add here total in the ninth cell of column A, and then I go to column B, and at the end I add a formula. Being on the home tab, I come to editing group, and in the editing group I click the drop down menu and add the sum. So it sums automatically from column B2 to column B8. If I click enter, and you see the numbers that will be summed up are enclosed through an animated curve. So if I click enter, it will give me the total sale, and the same has been done with the earning column. If I click on it, you see this gives me the total earning. That is, the total sale in the week is 25,181.51, and the total earning is 3,273.597. I can highlight these two cells by coming over here and changing the color to red. So this is the highlighted sale and the highlighted earning in the week and per week. So this way you can make audit of your small businesses by making a small program in Excel. Thanks for watching.